दादा
So really my second question to you is, but I think after the Filmfare debut award, Best Debut Actress award, I'm sure now you have faced stardom. How does it feel to be a star now?
No, I think awards are definitely, a way of getting appreciated for your performance. And Filmfare Award, the Black Lady, is something which everyone dreams of. The moment you think of becoming an actor, you start dreaming of yourself holding that Black Lady in hand. So, of course, it feels great, but I still feel that I'm just starting right now.
Which is the SS15 collection, which has a lot of young, fun, funky stuff. It has a lot of florals, it has a lot of color blocks, very vibrant colors. Even the whites and the nudes and the blacks are also very fun and funky, like there are a lot of tie-ups. And as you can see, the floral prints are there, which is something very fun and very young, I feel. I think this spring, summer, we can probably just wear like a block of color, like maybe a white or a nice yellow, and you can just add on a little bit of spunk in your shoes, which is something which is not very common. So I think this summer we can do something new.
कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है आपको या सेलेब किसी प्रोडक्ट का प्रमोशन करना है या उसका ब्रांड करना है
I think काफ़ी responsibility बढ़ जाती है because people who follow me or people who believe in me, they put in this certain trust in you. तो उन्हें लगता है कि अगर आप कोई ब्रांड सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं या आप कोई पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड पहनते हैं तो इट शुड बी गुड. सो आई थिंक एक क्वालिटी और एक ट्रस्ट वैल्यू जो है वो एक सेलिब्रिटी के थ्रू आती है. सो इवन एज अ सेलिब्रिटी वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस कि हम जो ब्रांड चूज़ करते हैं या हम जो भी ब्रांड प्रमोट करते हैं उसमें हम बिलीव करें. एंड आई थिंक Aldo is a brand that I personally buy from, and I've been buying from Aldo since a long time. So I was really happy when they asked me to come and support.
आप कौन सा पैरामीटर्स देखती हैं किसी ब्रांड को चुनने के लिए?
Well, I think, as I said, quality of the brand is something which is very, very important. I think values of a brand is very important. And कई बार होता है कि काफ़ी टाइम से एक ब्रांड चल रहा है तो उसकी एक जो पहचान होती है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बन चुकी होती है ऑलरेडी. एंड इट्स नोन टू बी अ गुड ब्रांड, इट्स नोन फॉर इट्स क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क दैट इट डज. सो आई थिंक क्वालिटी फॉर मी इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. And of course, then when it comes to fashion brands, it also depends on, the looks, that if I like the particular styles that the brand offers.
Okay, Kriti, आप कितनी brand conscious? आप कितनी brand conscious?
Brand conscious मैं actually नहीं हूँ काफ़ी, because I think I've just been born and brought up in that way, where brands धीरे try करना आप start होते हो. And I think a lot of brands which probably are very very new to me, but they've been there for a long time. But Aldo is one particular brand which I think मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि मैं जब मूवीज़ करना स्टार्ट हुई तब मैंने पहनना शुरू करा. आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग विच a normal girl can wear. It's not very expensive, it's very affordable. And their shoes and their bags and everything, accessories, I think everything is very, very young and very feminine, I would feel. So, yeah, it's a brand that I've been wearing since a long time.
अगर फिल्मों की बात करें तो हम सिंग स्प्रिंग करें, लेकिन हम इसमें काफ़ी डीप सिंग स्प्रिंग कोई खास
मैं सिंग स्प्रिंग अब नहीं कर रही हूँ, एज यू मस्ट हैव रेड. लेकिन हाँ, काफ़ी रीजंस की वजह से वो फिल्म जो है वो थोड़ी पोस्टपोन हो रही थी कॉन्स्टेंटली, एंड आई एम अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट एबल टू डू द फिल्म. I was really preparing a lot for the film and I really wanted to do it. Akshay Kumar and Prabhudeva, they are a team that you always want to be a part of. So unfortunately it was getting delayed, और finally अब जब वो start हो रही है, the dates are clashing with my other projects. So I think it was a mutual decision. हमने बहुत कोशिश करी, मैंने और producer Ashwini Adi ने, to work out the dates, but unfortunately sometimes it's not in your hands and you can't do anything about it. So I think we mutually decided that I should probably step out of the film, and I think Amy is doing the film now, and I guess I know the script, so I know that she suits the role perfectly, and I hope, I wish her all the best.
कृति, रोहित शेट्टी की भी कोई फिल्म आप कर रही हैं?
I'm really sorry that I won't be able to comment on films as such right now. This is probably also not the right platform, and I think थोड़ा time आप लोग wait करो, तो you will hear all the things and everything will be cleared out, and I'll talk when the time is right, and that's going to be soon.
Okay, any more questions?
आप दिल्ली से हैं, दिल्ली में जो निर्भया कांड हुआ था उसके ऊपर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनी है जो बैन है, तो आप उसके बारे में क्या विचार रखते हैं?
मैंने एक्चुअली ट्विटर पर काफ़ी खुलकर अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखा था, बिकॉज आई जस्ट कुड नॉट होल्ड माई सेल्फ बैक. मैं दिल्ली में थी जब वो हुआ, वो इंसिडेंट हुआ, एंड what I felt that time, the anger and the pain that I felt that time, I felt the same thing all over again when I saw the documentary. And I think हर इंसान को, especially men, should watch that documentary. I don't know why it is banned in our country, and I think we're just putting ourselves back into the same situation by banning it. So I think everyone should watch it, and it's very shameful whatever has happened. I mean, if I start talking, I'll just get emotional about it.
Kriti, I have a question for you.
कृति, अपने डांस के बारे में कुछ बताइए ना, जो आपने पहना हुआ है फोटो के बारे में.
Could you tell us what you're wearing?
I am wearing this jumpsuit. It's a Guess jumpsuit, and it's denim, which is very, very comfortable, and it's young at the same time. And I think when you wear a jumpsuit, it kind of gives, and as you can see, it's just fitting me very well. So I rather choose things which fit me well, which complement my body. I'm tall, so I think it is something which complements my body type. And yeah, it's a nice comfortable jumpsuit, and denim is something which can never go wrong. And I'm wearing yellow shoes, which are a little more funkier than my outfit.
वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है, वर्ल्ड कप आप फॉलो कर रही हैं?
हाँ, मैं स्पेशली इंडिया के मैचेस, आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट, वेदर आई एम हियर और देयर, आई ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू वॉच.
वर्ल्ड कप
I'll wish the Indian cricket team all the very best, and we're not going to let the World Cup go away. It's going to come back to where it is right now.
Kriti, hi, I'm Priyanka. I'm from AdFact. I wanted to know 5 or no must-haves, 5 or 3 must-haves for the upcoming season.